Ever wondered if you could unlock the power of TradingView without reaching for your wallet? You're not alone. Many aspiring and seasoned traders alike are curious about navigating the platform's robust features without a paid subscription. After all, in the world of trading, every penny saved can be a penny earned, right? TradingView has become a go-to platform for millions, renowned for its charting tools, social networking capabilities, and real-time data. The allure of its sleek interface and comprehensive features is undeniable. But the question remains, can you truly harness its potential without subscribing to a paid plan? Let's dive in and explore the ins and outs of using TradingView for free. The good news is, yes, you absolutely can use TradingView without paying a dime. The platform offers a surprisingly generous free plan that provides access to a wealth of essential tools and data. For many beginners and even some experienced traders, the free version can be more than sufficient to get started and conduct effective analysis. So, what exactly does the free plan offer? You'll gain access to their powerful charting tools, complete with a wide array of technical indicators, drawing tools, and customizable chart types. Whether you're a fan of moving averages, Fibonacci retracements, or trend lines, the free plan has you covered with a substantial selection. Furthermore, you can access real-time data for a vast range of assets, including stocks, forex pairs, and cryptocurrencies. Staying up to date with price movements is crucial in trading, and TradingView's free plan ensures you have this fundamental information at your fingertips. The social networking aspect, a unique feature of TradingView, is also available to free users. You can follow other traders, engage in discussions, and even share your own analysis and ideas with the community. This collaborative environment can be invaluable for learning and gaining different perspectives on the market. However, as with most freemium models, there are limitations. Free users on TradingView are typically restricted in the number of indicators they can apply to a single chart simultaneously, often capped at around 3. This might become a constraint for traders who rely on a complex combination of indicators for their analysis. Another limitation is the number of saved chart layouts. While you can save charts, the free plan usually restricts this to a handful, which might be inconvenient if you actively trade multiple assets or timeframes requiring distinct setups. Additionally, free users might experience occasional advertisements on the platform. While generally not intrusive, they are a part of the free user experience. Furthermore, features like priority customer support and more advanced data feeds are typically reserved for paid subscribers. Despite these limitations, the free version of TradingView provides a remarkably robust platform for technical analysis and market monitoring. It's an excellent starting point for anyone new to trading or for those who don't require the advanced features offered in the paid plans. You can learn the ropes, develop your trading strategies, and connect with a global community of traders without any financial commitment. Ultimately, whether the free version of TradingView is sufficient for you depends on your individual trading needs and style. If you're just starting out or prefer a simpler approach to analysis, the free plan offers a wealth of value. You can always upgrade to a paid plan later if your requirements evolve and you find yourself needing more advanced tools and fewer limitations. So, go ahead, explore the world of TradingView. Dive into the charts, experiment with indicators, and connect with fellow traders, all without spending a dime. It's a fantastic way to get your feet wet in the exciting world of financial markets. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.